guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, hi, my name is Kat. I am 22 years old and I am right hand to one of Forbes' top business podcasters, and I work from home. Since I started working from home in May of 2019, I have realized even more the importance of routine and organization when it comes to increasing productivity. So that is what I am here to help you with. If you don't follow me already, you can follow me on IG at Catherine Ann Kiefer. I deliver daily content over there to help with routine, increasing productivity, and decreasing overwhelm. I always ask on my IG stories what videos you want to see next over here. So again, if you don't already follow me over there, definitely go over there so that you can have an influence over what content you want to see from me. So today we're talking about how to accomplish your to-do list. This was the second most popular video option on my most recent poll. People were asking, how the heck do I accomplish everything I need to in a day? So we're going to walk through that today. I'm also drinking my coffee and I don't want the phone to disappear, so I'm gonna drink this while we do this. I have 3 main tips for you guys. Does anyone else have difficulty doing this number 3? Like, I can do this. No, even that's uncomfortable. It might just be my hand. These are actually methods that you can implement, so get your notepads out and get ready because you're going to want to write this down. Okay, so when it comes to accomplishing your to-do list daily, the first thing that you want to do is identify the one big objective and set that intention on completing or making progress on that big thing. This goes hand in hand. You guys know I love talking about monochronic work patterns, really focusing in on one thing instead of switching from task to task to task. And this will really help you accomplish your to-do list, because then you can easily identify all of the tasks that come underneath that objective and then just write down the list and accomplish that. Then your to-do list is cohesive. Cohesion is just the best thing ever. Like, let's just be real. So identify your one big objective of that day and then reverse engineer. Find out the tasks that need to be completed in order to complete that objective. The second method is to identify the non-negotiables, the things that you need to do. It's great that you have this big project that you're working on and that's your focus of the day, but there are things that need to be tended to every day. This isn't just specifically work. It can be, okay, I need to do laundry today. I need to take the kids to soccer practice. I need to meal prep for the rest of the week. Send out this bill. I don't know your life, only you know your life. Whatever it is to you, identify the non-negotiables that need to be done that day because they're time sensitive. So next is a little sub-method that I like to implement. When it comes to me, something that I've worked very hard on over the past few years is the fact that when everything is a priority, nothing is a priority. So even though I need to send out this piece of mail, I need to mail out this package, I need to drop this off at Dom's school, I need to unload the dishes, I need to do the laundry, I need to go to the gym, I need to do this work for Ange, I need to do this work for myself, I need to finish this course because, oh my God, God forbid if I save it for tomorrow. I identify things from highest priority to lowest stressor. The high priority things on my list are all the things that are time sensitive. Those things need to be completed. Everything else doesn't matter. It can be pushed off until tomorrow. It can be pushed off until this evening when I have completed my whole to-do list for the day. I feel really accomplished and I can do one more thing. But it's not high priority if it's not time sensitive. When it comes to accomplishing your to-do list daily, we've talked about your number 1 objective of the day and setting the intention to accomplish that. We've talked about making your checklist and only putting the highest priority, most time-sensitive things on it. Lastly, we're going to talk about how you do things throughout the day. The things that you need to get done that are the highest priority of things that may be non-preferred, you have to do those first in the day. Because you know that if they're high priority, you probably already procrastinated on them because you allowed it to get so close to the deadline time-wise. Then you can move to the big objective of the day and all your high priority stuff that's more preferred, okay? Get the shit that you don't want to do done first, because you know you will always find time to do the stuff that's fun for you. I hope you enjoyed these 3 tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you stay in the loop with all things productivity and routine, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.